Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a healthy diet with Whole Foods Market, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what whole foods are. Whole foods are minimally processed foods that are free from artificial ingredients. Start with fruits and vegetables. Aim to fill half your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables. Choose seasonal produce for better flavor and nutrition. Next, incorporate whole grains. Select options like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These grains provide essential fiber and nutrients. Then, add protein sources. Focus on lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, and legumes. These choices help build muscle and keep you full. Include healthy fats in your diet. Opt for sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Healthy fats support brain function and heart health. Look for unsweetened yogurt and fortified plant-based milks. These options supply calcium and other important nutrients. Plan your meals in advance. This helps you make healthier choices and reduces the temptation for processed foods. When shopping, focus on the perimeter of the store. This is where fresh produce, meats, and dairy typically reside. Read labels carefully when selecting packaged foods. Look for options with simple ingredients and no added sugars. Be mindful of portion sizes. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if consumed in excess. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water, adjusting for activity levels. Experiment with different recipes and cooking methods. This can keep your meals exciting and flavorful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.